All right, time to take a look at the JOWSET air purifier. Cool, nice and simple. So this is good. They've got the air filter completely bagged, so we don't have to worry about anything getting in it before it gets to our house. And we have the power supply inside of it. This does appear to be a fairly nice filter, so we can kind of see, it's hard to see on the camera, but there's actually a screen in front of the filter. So it's a pre-filter for the filter. And then we got a charcoal filter on the inside. So 3 stages. There's also a nice foam ring on here to make sure that we got a good seal. So all we got to do is put this in the bottom and give it a spin. So it looks like the power supply plugs into the back right there. And it says this is 100 to 240 volts. So that's good for international or domestic. And it outputs 1.75 amps at 24 volts. That's very nice. So we got our power button on the top. We got A for automatic. I do like that this is actually not that bright, so if we're going to be putting this in our bedroom or anything like that, we're not have to worry about that thing blinding us in our sleep. That is actually pushing quite a bit of air, so that's excellent. So we've got sleep mode, we got a lock, we got a timer, so that can go up to 12 hours. So that's nice. So if we wanted to, we could just set this to 8 or 9, go to sleep, and then when we wake up, we can just leave. We don't have to worry about this thing. It'll just automatically shut off. So I always like seeing that. So sleep mode completely turns it off. Oh no, it's not off. It's actually just going very quietly. So that's nice. So it's still purifying the air, but there's no lights and it's nice and quiet. And then we got fan speed. We actually have 4 different speeds. So it even goes stronger than that. So that's pretty cool. And then we also have auto. So it's just going to check the quality of the air and it is going to increase or decrease depending on what is needed. We also have Wi-Fi. So if we want to, we can connect that to an app. But yeah, that is nice. And I can definitely say the air coming out of here is nice. That actually smells clean. So we've been using air purifiers for a while now. We got one of them in the living room. We got one in our bedroom. The quality of the sleep that you get by having one of these things in your bedroom is unmatched. I think it has a lot to do with just being a small room and then 2 people in it for 8 hours. It just kind of makes all the air really stuffy. This thing, it just cleans up the air. You wake up and it just smells nice in there. Having one of these things in the living room, what it mostly does is whenever we got anything like going on in the kitchen, this will help to clean up that air. So yeah, air purifiers are awesome. This filter is a very nice filter. We got a good fan, so it's going to put a lot of air through it. This is a very nice air purifier. I am very happy with that.